Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start our another topic, that is employment. See, as I told you that there are three types of economic activity. The first one is business, second is profession, and third is employment. So in our previous lectures we have discussed the business and its features, and yesterday's lecture we have discussed the profession and its features. Today we are going to start employment. So बच्चे, what does it mean? Employment is that economic activity. It's simple because economic activities are those which are related with money, which are related with earning profits. So in the same way we can say that employment is a economic activity. Okay, so where a person work for others and get salary and wages in return. So employment means any person who is doing his job for others and get salary and wages in return. ठीक है बच्चे, एक पर्सन किसी दूसरे के लिए काम कर रहा है, ठीक है, एंड वो सैलरी और वेजेस ले रहा है, रिटर्न में काम कर रहा है, इन रिटर्न ही विल गेट सैलरी एंड वेजेस. समवेयर यू विल गेट द वर्ड रेम्यूनरेशन इंस्टेड ऑफ सैलरी एंड वेजेस. So these are the same terms. So salary and wages, or we can say that remuneration, is based on weekly, monthly and daily basis. It depends upon firm to firm, business to business. Some business organization provide the salaries of the workers to the workers on the basis of week. So some organization pay the salaries on the basis of monthly and so on. So here are some examples: clerks, managers, laborers, clerk in any school, any business organization, any bank. So the clerks are work for their bank, for their school, for their business organization. So he is related with employment. In the same way, managers in any business organization, he manage all the business. So that particular manager is work for their organization, so he is also related with employment. In the same way, laborers, they are doing job for others. They do the jobs with the direction of other persons, so he is also related with employment. So these are the examples of employment. One another example which is considered in profession as well as employment. So doctor, in previous class I have discussed about it that doctor is related with profession, and today I am going to tell you doctor is also related with employment. See how it can be possible. See, if a person has his own clinic and he is rendering the services, he is giving the services to his patients in his own clinic, then he is related with profession. अगर उसका खुद का clinic है, then he is related with a profession. In the same way, if any person, any doctor, he is working for the government hospital or he is working in private hospital as a doctor, he is giving his services to the patients for the government hospital, for the private hospitals. So he is related with employment because he is working for the government hospital, he is working for the private organization, private hospital. Okay, so this is the difference between profession and employment. If he is running his own clinic, then he is related with profession. If he is doing for the other hospital, or we can say that he is working in that particular hospital, so he is related with employment. Clear हो गया बेटा? So this is the major difference between profession and employment. In this way, doctor is considered in profession as well as employment. So now question arises that what is the meaning of employee and employer? See, what is the meaning of employee? A person who work for somebody, किसी के लिए काम करना, जो person किसी के लिए काम कर रहा है, that is employee. And suppose I am doing for the job for our school. Okay, so I am employee and our school is employer. Clear हो गया बेटा? Teacher is employee and the school's management is employer. Okay, so what does employer mean? A person or a company that employs other people. Okay, so this is the difference between employee and employer. So what I have written on the board, that employer and employee, there is a servant and master relationship between them. Okay, जो employee है, he is working as a servant, and employer, he is treating as a master. So this is the main difference between employer and employee. Next, features of employment. There are 7 features of employment. The first one is service to other. See, employment is service for other. This is the most important feature of the employment. Service to others, because profession, and just like profession, employment is also related with services. So employment is a service for others. Another feature is personal services. In employment has to provide service himself. सपोज जिसको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करने के लिए बोला है, ही हिमसेल्फ प्रोवाइड द सर्विसेज, nobody other. Okay, next one is agreement. There is an agreement, or we can say that there is a contract between employer and employee under the employment. In this agreement, what has written that his job is permanent basis or temporary basis or casual. Along with this information, in this agreement, it is also written that what is the remuneration for that particular person. Okay, मतलब उसकी wages और salary क्या होगी, ये all these details are given in this agreement or in this contract. So another feature is servant. See, I has discussed earlier that employee is a servant and employer is a master. So employee is the servant of the master and act according to the master. Okay, so next point is no need of capital. Capital here means investment or money. Okay, in employment, any employee doesn't invest any money. It means no need of capital in employment. But if I talk about the business organization, in business organization, a businessman investing the money, and after that he will get profit or he will get money from the business. Okay, but in case of employment, there is no need of capital, no risk. Next feature is no risk. See, employment is risk free because risk is suffered by the employer, not by the employee. He will get the salary, employee will get the salary, whether it is profit or loss. डिपेंड करता है कि आपका लॉस अगर ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो आप उसकी सैलरी थोड़ी सी कम कर दोगे, बट जो लॉस है वो लॉस इज सफर्ड बेयर्ड बाय द एम्प्लॉयर, नॉट बाय द एम्प्लॉई. ओके, सो लास्ट पॉइंट इज नेचर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर. एम्प्लॉयर can be private, can be government organization or public company. Employer can be private organization, public organization, government organization. It doesn't matter. So these are the features of the employment. Thank you so much.